Hello, hi, it's Liz here and I'm here to do Roxy's weekly challenge, number 48, and Rachel has come up with an idea for super easy clusters with a formula. So that's what I'm going to do. So the formula is some packaging, some brown packaging, brown paper, some book page, some pieces of scrapbook paper, or if you use digitals, some digital paper, just any decorative paper, and then something as a focal point. I've got these old, well, they're not old, they're modern style, but they're old. I've had them for ages. Little bits of ephemera, and I also want to use up some old sticker sheets for a focal point as well. So I'm hoping to steadily work my way through using up all the old stickers. Okay, so I've already had a go at 3, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how they've turned out. So the formula is, obviously you can see the paper, the book page, and then the focal point. I've added a little stitch around with my sewing machine. I just thought it added a little finishing touch. Obviously you don't need to do that. You don't need to do the stitching at all, but I'm still quite taken with my new sewing machine, and everything in the whole world gets stitched. Yeah, so I'm going to do, I don't know, so we'll see how many we get done. And I got my book out just to see how they would look in the Christmas journal, and I was really pleased that I thought this one just looked super smashing there. And I think I might just stick with that, and it can be a nice little tuck spot for something. Yeah, so I think they're going to look cool in this style of journal. The last signature in this doesn't have any fancy bits at all, and I thought that might go on that map page. So yeah, I'm sure you can find a spot in a journal for them. We'll just put that back over there, and we'll just put these pre-made ones to the side there, and let's get started. So they're really easy. I'm just going to grab a piece of the packaging. Oh, and another thing I've added was I got my little old scallop scissors out, and I thought it might be quite nice little to just scat. Did I do it on that one? I don't think I did. This one on the 2 sides there, and 1 side there. Obviously this one's just torn, so obviously you don't need to, but I just thought rather than have a straight edge, let's just go for a little scallop down the edge. Why not? Why not? I've had these scissors for many a long year. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is grab a piece of the it doesn't matter, I suppose, which way round you're doing it. You can either do book page and then the bright decorative paper, or you can do it the other way round. I just felt, because my little focal points were very similar colours to my scrapbook paper, that they would just sort of disappear if I didn't put them on top of the book page, and that's why I did it that way round. So although this one after saying that, this one's got the book page, the first layer, but doesn't matter. It's all fun and games. Right, so let's see if we can get a nice piece of this. Just get a bit off to start us off. I don't want that white bit torn it the wrong way. after saying I don't want the white bit. Always got to think which direction to tear. I've made it a bit small. In fact, I think that's what we'll do. We'll do the book page on the back of this one, and that will make it. Yes, that's better. That's better. Maybe we'll do a little scallop edge there. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so what we need then is a focal point. So let's see what we've got from these little pieces here. Here's a nice snowflake. That's a bit big. That could do. Those two pieces together. Well, let's have a look at the stickers. Quite like that. It's a kind of faux stamp, isn't it? That might be quite nice. I think I like that. I think I like the Mrs. Claus. Keep the faux stamp for another day. Right, so let's just stick that down. So yes, the 30th of November, 1st of December tomorrow. So today is St Andrew's Day in Scotland, patron saint of Scotland. It's not a public holiday. I wish it was. I get a day off work, but no, it's not. And then we'll just overlap these two pieces kind of there. Yeah. St Andrew's Day, but we don't really do anything special. The special day here for stuff is Burns night, Rabbi Burns, and that's when we eat the haggis and recite poems to the haggis. It's all very surreal. If you go to a Burns supper night, then they have the piper, and the piper, that's cute, isn't it? Just leave that aside to dry, and then we'll give that a little stitch around. Yep. So yes, if you go to a proper Burns night, they pipe the haggis in a big ceremony, and then somebody takes a great big knife and says a poem and stabs the haggis. And then there's much drinking and dancing and merriment. Right, let's see, what did we do that one? We did that one with the book page at the back. Let's see if we can get a nice, here's a nice snowflake. We'll take another bit off the top there. Yeah. Yes, and They'll be singing and dancing with a tummy full of haggis and whiskey. Got a little bundle of the tiniest little pieces. I need to stop keeping these tiny little pieces. Right, what can we put in the middle there? Would that be good for the stamp? Let's bring the stickers back. Let's see. We'll keep this one red, or will we give it a touch of green? Oh, I quite like that. And here's a red one. No, I like the green. So we'll keep that. And can we find a word? 'Tis the season. Here's a 'tis the season. That'll do. It's good just to do these really easy things that use up some of your stash, isn't it? Especially stickers. Stickers are great fun. I think we'll just put it slightly over to there, and then we'll put "'Tis the season" just slightly overlapping, I think. Yeah, that's cute, isn't it? So that's that one and that one. And we'll just give them a wee stitch around. I think we might do one more. Maybe another bigger one. And book page. I'm tempted to put some washi on them, but I mustn't, because it's only supposed to be this formula. This. Now let's see, what have we not had? Have we not? I don't think we've had polka dots, have we? Have we had polka dots? Nope. Oh, we have. There's a polka dot there. Okay. What's on the back? What else have we got? A nice red check. Yeah, we don't have that. Yep. Oh dear, can't even tear. Yeah, yeah. And we'll find a nice biggish focal point for this one. What have we got? Oh, I wonder if that Santa's too big. It might not be. It's a wee bit modern looking, but you know, got to use them up. And there's Hello Santa. It's a bit obvious, but that's what we'll go with. Why not? Does anybody else do that? Put the stickers they're going to use on their other hand? No, just me. There we are. Managed to get glue all over that. There we are. And of course you can turn some into tuck spots if they're big, like this one could be a tuck because it's slightly bigger. We'll give Santa pride of place there in the middle. Yeah, excellent. Well, I think that's quite enough of them I've got that one stitched. So there's a nice mix there, nice mix of colours. I'm going to take them to the machine and I'll be back. Okay, that's them done. I gave Santa a little zigzag. The good thing about these is, like I did with this one, just do a squiggly, and that's quite effective. Or you can just decide to make the stitching in a little bit. You don't need to keep to the edges, and it's all just a bit random, I think, but I think it does add something to the clusters. So anyway, that's them. Happy with them. A nice quick make, and use up some of your old ephemera and stickers and packaging. So great, thanks for joining me today, and if you've liked the video, a thumbs up would be lovely, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.